Chicken all these niggas on the YouTube. He's trying to bait you.
Yeah, Soloyaker.
11-5-248.
He's cool. As long as he's got the fishing pole.
Subject white male in his 40s, blue jeans, gray or green shirt, with a backpack with an American flag and a snake on it, currently on the pier. Sunrise, subject walking on the pier, sir.
Hey, you know what? We can just wait by.
Yeah, nothing you can do.
We just walk all the way to the end. Don't even, just say hi.
Hold on.
Yeah, we don't want to engage him at all.
Yeah, you can. I mean, he's going to see us. He's going to say something. He'll just...
Hey, since it's going to be the same guy, we're just going to walk, me, Frank, and Snake, and Jacob.
Who's this guy with the police shirt with a pit
We're just
bull?
going to walk and just wait by.
I saw him before walking up.
Yeah, don't even pay it.
Who's this guy?
It's a third party complaining. So even better. I'm going to have my camera and just wait.
What's up?
How we doing, guys?
You got something here?
No, actually, I just live here, so I was walking my dog.
Okay.
Who are you with?
Came up to me to tell me
Yeah,
about.
perfect.
Yeah, we're gonna go deal with him. No big deal.
Who are you with? What police?
Don't even, yeah, don't have a
I'm just seeing who you're with. Financial services.
Yeah,
Oh,
you know
all
what I mean?
right.
Like we're instigating.
He's like light skinned black.
Oh boy. Hey, how
What's
you
up?
doing?
What's up?
All right.
So I said, we're just gonna wait by. Leave alone, and then we just coded out. 98. Started about the. Not really gonna find me about the second. You're allowed to carry.
Yeah.
You're allowed to open carry to and from.
Yeah. Yeah. It's just they try to get a reaction. Yep. He gets his videos. I've watched all his videos. He walks all over the place. From his car, with the fishing pole, with the fucking thing strapped. I'll go say hi to him.
This is how we do it.
I was going to bring out the AR-15 with the helmet. Oh, wow. Yep, that's him.
But be mindful, I'm gonna go on.
I'm on already. Wait, let's hold hands. Most exercise I've done all day. It's all right. Too bad you guys take all the overtime. You won't be able to use your boats. Yeah, but you'll be working overtime when it's flat like this. You say that now.
Callers advising on mail left for lunch and close the gate to stop inside the granite yard. So white female, 69, multicolored dress. She's concerned because she has health issues and can't stand for too long. Case 1126.
Fish with a gun and
In case you get a big one, you gotta shoot it.
Yeah. 11 Bravo 17, attention 11 Bravo 18, copy 13 person.
How did you beat me here, Snake?
I was right behind you.
27 Northwest 21st
On the other side of the bridge.
27 Northwest 21 Ave.
because they're in the sidewalk.
Yes,
Callers advised
around the sidewalk.
Female that keeps staring into the windows of their female 45 to 56 wearing a white and green jacket.
But is he really fishing?
1127.
But is he really fishing? You can't ignore him. People are going to be watching. You got to address it. Soloyaker.
Thanks, guys. They already knew who I was. Dude, I've been sitting here for about an hour and a half or so, and nothing.
Yeah, there's no fish.
hanging
All
out.
the fish are gone.
They were all hanging out. They didn't even question the guns. They were all happy to hear.
Take care. Have a good one.
Have a good one.
Yeah.
Take care.
Have a good one. Guy and did a little shooting back in the 60s when I was in before the Vietnam War, but I shot you how to shoot.
Before my time.
Before your time, yeah.
Not before this guy's time. He got me by a couple of years.
Couple of years.
Only 3.
I'm telling him I was in the Army between 60 and 62. I missed the
All right, we're
Vietnam
good.
War just by the timing of it. Okay.
11 Bravo.
And then I'm just going to tell him, hey, next time you carry the rod.
To do what?
I'm going to tell him he's got to carry the ride with him.
One motor 68. One motor 68. 98 Alpha missing.
It's not the same guy that came in the courthouse, remember, with Ozzy Tiango and all that? That's something different. Same thing about videotaping in the courthouse, remember? Yeah.
On 410 Zoom Court 13.
Hey, buddy, next time you go back and forth, just bring your rod with you, okay?
Do I need to?
Yes.
Why?
Because you're...
No one knows you're fishing. We know.
Right. Because, like, while I'm engaged and my pole's still there, and if somebody steals my pole, then that would be like me reporting a crime of somebody stealing a $500
Right, but you went to the
rod.
restroom. So just listen to me for one
But if
second.
they had one here,
Sir,
if they
are
had
you going to
a-
let me finish my statement?
Yeah, go ahead.
So, like the law says, that you're allowed to carry the rifle and the firearm while you're fishing to and from. It doesn't say to and from the bathroom. So I just asked you, just please next time carry your rod with you. Thank you very much, but you have a great day. Go ahead. Take care.
I'm going to question it because...
No, we're done. We're
we
done,
don't
sir. Have a great day.
We're done?
Yes, sir.
What was your name?
Sergeant Ciccarelli.
Ciccarelli?
Yes, sir. You have a great day, though.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, great day, guys.